Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use BeReal social media app on your iPhone, Android or iPad. So you need to go to the Play Store app and App Store and you need to install this BeReal app. Okay, so once you download and install it, then you need to create an account on the BeReal app. So I already made a video how to create account on the BeReal app. You can go and watch that video to create the account. So once you create the account, you will be here on this screen. Alright, now it is showing your friends haven't posted their BeReal yet, be the first one. So you can directly click on take your BeReal, or first of all what you need to do is simply click on the top click on the icon that you see at the top left corner, and you can go and invite your friends from here. You can use the share link option here and invite them through messenger or WhatsApp or airdrop or whatever, or you can also use the Twitter option here. Okay, so once you invite them, then you will see a lot of burials here from your friends and you can post in response to them. So, and you can also check some of the public burial. So if I click on discovery here, now if I haven't posted a burial here, that's why it is saying me to view some public burial, take your burial. Okay, let me do it. So my friends, click on take your burial here. Now okay, so before I do this, you need to know that what happens in burial is that it will, okay, it is not stopping. So what happens in burial is that it will take the pics from the both front camera and the back camera. Okay, then it will post the back camera option and the front one will be here at the top. Okay, let me show you how to do it. Simply again you need to click on take your burial. Now first of all I'm going to select the front camera. Alright, now click the pic here. Okay, now I can see the option here, so it will give you 2 minutes at the top. Okay, so this is the back camera pic and this is the front one. So if you I change the camera option. Okay, so if you don't change it, then the back will be here, the bigger image will be the back one and the smaller one will be the front one. Front camera pic will be the smaller one. Okay, so once you do this, you can see that there is discovery option. If you tap on that, then my friends only option will come. Okay, so I am going to uh, select discovery only. Okay, then there is a location option. You can actually go and select this approximate or precise. Suppose I'm going to click on approximate only. Simply click on while using the app only. All right, so once you do this, simply click on send here and it will be posted right here. Now you can see also the location is coming 13 hours late. So if you post a burial late, then it will come as it will give you a late kind of tag mark on the pic here. Now if I click on discovery here, now I can watch the public burials here from the people that I don't know, because I have no friends right here right now, and I need to invite them to burial app. Okay, so this is the basic way to use this. You can also go and set your profile picture. Tap on the profile picture at the top right corner. If you are seeing it blank, again tap on the three dots that you see at the top right corner. Now tap on the username that you see, and once you are here, you can see update profile picture option is coming. If you're not set the profile picture, then a small camera kind of icon will come. You need to tap on that to set the profile picture. You can go and write your bio here. You can go and write the location where you live. All right, you can also change your username from here. You can actually change the full name from right there. So these are the ways. If you go to settings here, you can also see the list of black block profiles here. You can also see the memories. Then you can click on notifications, and there are so many kind of notifications here, right? You can simply turn them off, otherwise notifications will keep coming. If there are more friends, you can log out from here. Okay, so thank you for watching the video for and subscribe to my channel.